Hi, I'm Morgan Gallus, and I'm an Associate Content Strategist at Yakkety. Today, I'm going to walk through some tips and tricks to navigating social media scheduling platforms. With the variety of accounts and forms of social media that now exist, scheduling platforms such as Sprout Social and Later have made it considerably easier to manage your social media presence. To help navigate these, I've condensed tips, tricks, and best practices to use these platforms into 3 comprehensive checklists. Checklist number 1. Organize everything you plan to post. Being organized is essential to managing your social media accounts and their posts. When organizing my social media content, I like to fulfill these 3 things. Make sure your content matches the specific platform. While the language and tone of your post should be consistent across platforms, remember that each platform is unique. For instance, long-form text works better on Facebook and Instagram. Additionally, look out for platform-specific strategies such as hashtags. While used sparingly on Facebook, strategically placed hashtags can give a real boost to your brand on Twitter or Instagram. Ensure you have the correct links. Most content includes a link, but not all social media sites share them the same. For instance, on Facebook, you may want to delete the manual text link that you input so that it is not redundant with the preview. On Instagram, you have to put a link in your bio and remind people in the copy to check in there. Utilize all forms of social media. With social media marketing becoming more diverse and intricate, don't overlook platform-specific tools such as Instagram stories, polls, and videos. Number 2, start scheduling. Now that everything is prepped and ready to go, it's time to start composing and scheduling your posts. The most important thing to keep in mind is that you're scheduling a post for the correct client. Remember that formatting is key. If you need to attach an image or a video, make sure it corresponds to the platform you're creating the post for. Delete the preview, change the thumbnail, or shorten the link as needed. Take advantage of posting at optimal times. Most scheduling platforms will have these times available based on analytics, and they can help improve the engagement and reach of a post. Number 3, perform quality assurance checks. Once you schedule your posts, there's still work to be done. It's imperative that you check your work, then check it again, and check it again. Mistakes on social media can really damage a brand's image. Social media can be a really helpful tool to reach your audience, so take time as you schedule. Don't rush through your posts, rather make sure everything looks the way you intended. Once your posts are set to go out, have another pair of eyes on them so you can catch any errors such as typos, wonky images, faulty links. Once your posts are published, you're still not done. You need to check them on the platform for accuracy. If you want to hear more about our social media scheduling tips and tricks, or need help managing your social media, visit us at yakkety.com.